Hey there, welcome back to my channel. Are you tired of struggling to lose belly fat? Do you want to fit into your favorite clothes again? If so, you're in the right place. In this video, I will show you how to make a powerful belly fat burning drink using aloe vera, lemon, ginger, and honey. Have you ever wondered why aloe vera is so highly regarded in the health and wellness industry? This miracle plant has been used for centuries for its amazing health benefits, and it's no surprise why. Aloe vera is packed with vitamins, minerals, and other nutrients that can help improve your overall health and well-being. Health benefits of natural aloe vera plants are: aloe vera is rich in vitamins A, C, and E, which are essential for maintaining healthy skin, hair, and nails. Vitamin A helps to produce new skin cells, while vitamin C is a powerful antioxidant that can help protect your skin from damage caused by free radicals. Vitamin E is another antioxidant that can help improve skin health and reduce the signs of aging. But that's not all. Aloe vera also contains B vitamins, such as B1, B2, B3, B6, and B12, which are essential for maintaining a healthy nervous system, energy production, and metabolism. These vitamins also play a vital role in maintaining healthy hair, skin, and nails. Now that you know a little about the aloe vera plant, let me show you how you can burn belly fat in 1 week. Aloe vera is a natural and effective way to lose weight because it helps improve digestion and detoxify your body. Lemon and ginger are potent ingredients that help to boost your metabolism, reduce inflammation, and burn fat. Honey is a natural sweetener that helps to balance your blood sugar levels and reduce cravings. When you combine all of these ingredients, you get a powerful fat-burning drink that can help you lose belly fat in just 1 week. Let's get started with the recipe. You'll need 1. Aloe vera leaf, 2. Lemon, 3. Inch of ginger, 4. Tablespoon of honey, 5. 1 cup of water. First, cut open the aloe vera leaf and scoop out the gel. You can use your spoon to scoop the gel from the aloe vera leaf. Add the gel to a blender along with the juice of 1 lemon, 1 inch of peeled ginger, 1 tablespoon of honey, and 1 cup of water. Blend everything together until you get a smooth consistency. Pour the mixture into a glass and enjoy it immediately. You can drink this belly fat burning drink first thing in the morning or before a meal for the best results. There you have it, a powerful and natural belly fat burning drink that can help you lose weight and feel great. Remember, consistency is key, so make sure to drink this every day for 1 week to see results. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more health and wellness tips. See you in the next video.